At the end of the Civil War, the victorious North was forced to keep a large contingent of their troops active, chasing bands of Southern renegade soldiers given to raiding and pilfering. Just such a band was led by a ruthless and hated man called Machado. His real name was never known. One of the most feared adversaries of these renegades was Captain Jeff Madison.
Damn war. Even when it's finished, it ain't finished. The more of them you kill, the more show up. 4 lousy years and my throat's so full of anger and dust I can hardly spit.
Well, you take care of Machado and you can go home.
Say, Captain, did I ever tell you my ranch is on a beautiful river?
Sergeant, keep your eyes peeled. That could be a good place for an ambush.
Yes, sir.
A river, huh?
I'll bet when you go home, you never leave.
No sirree.
There's no place like home, is there?
You know, I used to go swimming in that river putting her every day. Why, I get thirsty just thinking about it. You know that?
Well, have a drink of water and take your mind off of it.
Thanks, Captain.
It's all right. Get up.
Garrison! Get those horses out of here! Take cover!
Sergeant Cutler, cover me. I'll get behind.
For all the trouble you caused us.
Watch over them. Amen.
Amen.
Ain't nothing can hurt them now, Sergeant. All right, let's get back to Fort Mason. The war ain't over yet. Let's go. Get up.
signed any of these death warrants for my friends? Have you, Major, sir, huh? Come on, I'm listening.
I don't speak to your kind, mister.
I think you had better get smart before I get mad. You're a soldier, and so am I, understand. No matter what you think, I'd have died for the South, sir.
But the war's over now.
You're right. But I'm afraid, Major, it's not over for you at all. All right, Major, did you sign them?
Yes.
That's better. Maybe this was the ink you used, huh? If you like it so much, Major, drink it. Much better than whiskey, isn't it? It's better provided, of course, you don't mind the color. We'll make a man out of you yet. How do you like it? Got something to show you.
My soldiers.
Line up here, Major. Ha! Knees together, stomach in, chest out. Get your head down, soldier. Did you hear what the sergeant said, huh? Pay attention. Take your head off. Yeah, turn around there. Get it down. I don't like the way you men are following orders. Now get your head down. Stay down there.
Don't you look that way at me.
You'll hang for this.
You see these? Well, they were all my friends killed because you ordered it. You and that no-good Captain Madison, you hear? You killed my very own brother!
You're still a murderer, and they're gonna hang you, Machado. Someday they'll catch up with you for all the crimes you committed.
Gate's open, sir.
That's odd, Sergeant.
Sure is.
Welcome back, Captain Madison.
Who's that?
Huh.
I don't believe I've ever seen that man at the fort.
Look out, Captain.
How's that make you feel, Madison?
Oh!
The war's over, Machado.
Yeah?
We just caught Jeff Madison.
Where is he?
Outside.
Take care of him.
I want done.
Oh. Captain Madison, eh? Let's see. Something kind of special for him. After all, he was one of the best.
How you feeling, Madison, huh? Bet I see. That's good. We want you in good health so you can enjoy the entertainment. Still uncomfortable? Sorry about that. See these, Madison? They're for a little party we're gonna have in your honor. This is quite an occasion. We've been waiting for you for over a year. We're gonna make up for all our friends that you killed. Tell me something. When we start, do you prefer to be alone? Or do you want those soldiers to watch you? I'm waiting for your answer.
I prefer to be alone. Why don't you let him go?
You heard the captain, didn't you? Well, boys, take him out of here. Go on.
Move! Move, I say! Captain Madison, help!
You filthy skunk!
What's that, Madison? You told me you preferred being all alone. Change your mind?
Smile, Madison.
That's for me, Bob.
That's for Bill.
That's for Ben Joseph. Those are That's for me. That's for Red Martin. That's for Ben Curry. That's for Sandy Creek. For the nights I slept out at home.
That's for Mark.
That's for Mark. That's for Tri-Bed Creek.
That's for Joe.
That's for Bill.
Those bullets, they can go off at any time, so be careful, won't you?
Oh! Oh! Adios, Captain Madison.
Rest in peace, Captain.
Quincy, don't kill him yet. He suffers too good to be put out of his misery. Come on. Here! Burn it down.
Burn it down! Watching up like a
All right, boys.
That away.
Let's go. Come on.
For more than 2 years, Machado and his band of renegades continued to raid the area undisturbed.
Hot damn. What am I going to do with that? It's not my day, no siree. Oh, howdy, sir.
Oh, hi, Spot. Wanted for the capture of the rebel band. $10,000, dead or alive. My, oh, my. You know what I'd do with all that dough? I'd have a party, and I bet it'd be the best party ever.
Hey, sure, with no picture, how are we all supposed to know what they all look like?
It's a pity there ain't any around, only anyone that's ever seen them are dead.
Howdy, Red.
Hey, I brung your package. The one you've been waiting on.
Well, something's finally going right.
What's the matter?
You know how it is with these dang blasted cards. I haven't one hand all day.
fellas.
You know what?
This is great.
So it's $10, is it?
That's right, Smart. $10.
Seems like a heck of a lot of dough to me, you know.
Well, it's sure heavy.
Bartender.
In fact, I should charge you more for the special delivery.
Well, okay, I ain't gonna argue. Here. You're a low-down skunk. But a good postal clerk.
See you, Smart.
What are you gonna have the money?
Somebody must be in an awful hurry to be getting buried at this hour.
We're supposed to wait.
Hey, what do you think I've got in here?
I can't imagine, sir.
Dynamite, see?
Excuse me.
I got 60,000 bucks in cold cash.
That's a lot of money to carry around, sir.
I want to deposit it.
I'm sorry, we're closing.
Don't give me none of that stuff. It's the Union Pacific payroll that I got here.
Try us tomorrow, sir.
Now, wait just a second, Taylor. You mean you refuse my money?
Uh-huh.
Hey, wait. Have you seen the faces on those characters? They look like desperate types to me. I'm worried. Hey, young man, now listen. Don't make me lose my temper, right? Tell your manager I want to talk to him.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right away.
Now, you've got everything?
Yes, sir.
Come in.
Keep still and keep quiet.
All right, stranger, I'll take that. Union Pacific payroll, huh? Well, will you look at that? Not a bad haul, huh, boys?
Open the safe. Come on. What's the matter? You expect me to go and open it?
Yes.
You better open it, mister. I might kill you.
You won't kill me.
How about him? Now, what makes you say that?
The sheriff has his office near here, and he might hear the shot.
That makes a lot of sense. I guess I sure ought to be a little quiet.
Don't.
Diego, the signal.
Where are you going?
In there, sir.
No, you're not.
Why, sir?
You gotta explain to me what that sign says on the wall there.
But can't you read, sir?
Of course, only my glasses aren't here, see?
Whoever purchases one of our stocks becomes part owner of the Union Pacific Railroad Company.
Explain that.
Well, it means that you buy a share in the Union Pacific Railroad and you become a part owner in it. It is the biggest business in the world, sir.
You know what's the matter with it? Why, it's like robbery.
Robbery?
Mm-hmm. Robbery.
Give the signal.
Let's go.
Hey, call the guard! There's been a holdup! Hey, guard! Hey, guard, it's a holdup! Sheriff! The bank's been robbed!
What do you know?
Help! Sheriff! Help!
We're supposed to meet him right around here. Hey, hold on a minute. Now, there he is, right on time.
You drunk?
He sure is. Oh, he's hitting that bottle early every day. I hope Machete don't see him, because he'll fix his wagon sure in hell.
Yeah, I don't think he's gonna make it. You better give him a hand.
Yeah. Hey, Bill, come on now. Straighten up, yeah? He was killed. We better go, huh?
Tom, where's the gold? If you tell us, we'll stop beating on you.
Told you I didn't take it. Don't know who's got it. He knocked me right out, I tell you. Then I guess he took the gold and disappeared.
No! You're a liar. Come on, I want to know where it is. You were in on it, weren't you?
No, I wasn't. I was plumb out. I was surprised, I tell you, and I didn't know what happened till you got there.
Zach, I'm your buddy. Now, come on. I can't bear to see you suffer that much. You better tell him.
I don't know. I don't know.
Better lie him down a little bit.
Don't. I told you the truth. I told you the truth. Don't hit me anymore.
listen to me carefully. You guys are gonna spend the next few days looking for that gold.
How we know where it is?
Because all those coins are freshly minted coins. So spread out and bring back my gold! What are you waiting on? There had to be somebody who took it.
I guess somebody really hates you, don't they, Machado?
That's impossible. I'm not a person to hate. Why, I'm a very lovable guy.
Then I imagine it's someone who isn't afraid of you.
Open up! Captain! You all right? Open up!
I hear you. I told you not to call me Captain.
Excuse me, Captain. I mean, Jeff. You see, it's kind of tough for an old soldier like me to break a habit.
Well, don't forget it. Right, Smart?
No, can't afford to.
No, mustn't.
Yes, sir. Jeff? I realize that you sure did dispose of some of the cards. But the old ace of spades is still there.
He's still alive. But he'll soon join all the others. I baited him too good. He'll come looking for his gold, just you wait.
Huh. You're pretty damn lucky to be alive, you know. It's a pretty good thing those Indians come by like they did. Swana?
Yeah, Swana. She's quite a girl. Sure wasn't for her, I wouldn't be here now. But I'm still mighty dead inside. She didn't cure that. It's revenge I want.
When that day comes, you won't be talking like this. Well, you'll be needing this. I'll clean it up.
Can't hit anything with it.
Just leave everything to me. You'll be all right.
Whiskey. Hey, where's the change?
Change? It costs $1 a whiskey.
It's gold. Like this one.
By God, you're right. That's real gold. Nice and shiny, like it just came out of the mint. Sorry, sir. Here's your change.
Nice coin, mister. Looks like it could be gold.
It is.
All right, where'd you get it?
Playing cards. It's a good coin.
And I'm afraid you're lying, amigo.
Then maybe I didn't. Oh, yeah, it was in a casket I found, amigo.
You get dollars in a bank. Not in a casket, mind you, amigo.
Okay, amigo. Well, Sheriff, how long do you intend keeping me here?
We'll leave that up to the judge tomorrow morning. Watch him like a hawk. I don't like the looks of him.
Don't worry, Sheriff. Good night.
Good night.
All right, let's go.
Hey, open up. This is Sheriff Jackson from Dry Creek. I've got a prisoner for you. Open up.
Just a minute. I'm coming.
I was here.
I saw the sheriff arrest him.
All right, let's go.
Thanks for freeing me. Amigo.
Jeff Madison.
Does it bother you?
You should have died back at the fall like you were supposed to. You managed to get out of there alive. Sure beats me. Let's go. The jade will be happy to see you. Oh!
Captain, pull yourself together. Get out, huh?
Oh, well, you'll hurt the poor captain.
You'll have to excuse us, Captain Madison. He must think we're lousy hosts. Well, tell you what I'll do. You tell us where the gold is, and I'll buy you a drink.
The cemetery.
Which cemetery?
Which cemetery? And the one that's waiting for your bones. Very fun. Oh!
All right, Madison. Now tell us where it is. Where'd you hide it? Come on, Madison. Speak up. Where's the gold? Tell us where it is, Madison. You stand to lose more than your hand, Madison. Well, come on, talk. You better tell us.
That's enough, Quincy.
Oh, God!
You don't listen. I told you that was enough. What are you trying to do, kill him? Use your brains and you might save us a lot of time. Now, if he dies, how in the hell are you going to find the gold? Or did you forget that? Next time you listen to me.
We thought we could force him to tell us.
Well, he didn't talk and now he's out cold, got it? You men are going to stop when I tell you I'll get rid of you all. That's Jeff Madison. He's no ordinary man. He's got our gold. And we need him alive so we can find it. Now get that in your heads! All right, Mary Ann.
Me too.
You know what you have to do?
Don't worry about a thing. You know that I can be very convincing. Captain Madison! Captain Madison, it's me, Mary Ann. Tell me, did they hurt you much?
Why should you care?
They've done it to me.
What are you saying? Went and branded you too?
Quincy's tattoo.
Guess that makes us a pair.
They're all asleep downstairs, so I came up here to free you. I hope you can ride. You'll have to hurry if you mean to escape. The horses are saddled up outside. Are you coming? Good. It's clear.
Run away. Keep on moving.
All right. Take the one outside the corral. Go ahead. Good luck.
Could betray you, boy, in the night. I know something, and I think it's clear. Run, boy, hide your track before he gets too near. Keep on running, never give away where you're hiding or what you plan. Look, there's someone close behind you, boy. That man, he's really running. That man, you better run. That man, Johnny's after you.
Let's go.
They even took off a shoe. Well, Machado, you got me where I want you.
Welcome back, Captain Madison. Everything go all right?
Yeah, Smart, it did. Machado's walking right into the trap. His time has come. How's that sound to you?
All right. The only trouble is I can't go.
I've got to do it. Alone.
Well, I could help you a little.
You've helped enough.
You sure I can't go with you?
No, thanks, Smart.
God be with you, Captain, sir.
Here he comes. Get down. Go ahead. He's far enough. Joe, follow me.
Whatever you fellas want, it ain't here.
That's quite a doodad. Does it work?
I made it myself. Of course it'll work. What do you think?
I wouldn't fire that old thing, and I don't think you're going to do it either.
The cemetery is loaded with disbelievers.
Don't make me laugh at you, old-timer. You better start running.
Huh? You better start a running. Otherwise, I'll kill the both of you. Well, I got boasted, didn't I, by cracky?
Jeff, it's me.
I might have killed you. What are you doing here? I told you to get out of this town. Why haven't you?
I love you, and I want to stay.
You know it isn't right. For both of us, it could be dangerous.
Why not?
Who's here with you?
My father's old friend. Why? He's wounded badly.
He looks like he could use a drink. Here. It's mine. It'll relieve the pain. Your man dead?
Yes. Why did you come back? Are you expecting someone?
Yes. And you know who it is.
My father once told me, he said, you lose your arm, and you lose half your life.
No, I didn't lose my arm. I had my hand shot up, but I still have a good one. Keep out of this, Swana.
You know I can't.
What happened here?
The rebels came and killed. We told them for us the war is over, but you know they didn't want to listen. The war isn't over, is it, Jeff? I saw them kill my mother and father, and I buried them both on Sugarcane Hill. Those that were still alive disappeared to God knows where.
I owe my life to you.
I only wish to be near you and love you.
You're very sweet. I'll try not to hurt you.
Where is he?
He's hiding in that town there.
It's a good place to hide. Besides, our gold is hidden there. But you better watch out real good, because he's tricky, right?
Yeah.
He's gonna fight to the finish, I'll betcha. Like a cornered animal. All right, I'll take Quincy and Jones. Raul, you take the others. You know what to do. Come on. Let's move.
It's our wagon, all right. I wonder where the gold is.
It's our gold. Look at it. I found it first, so I get the most. Come on, let's get it. It's all ours. Ah! It's gold. It's gold. Yeah, all ours. It's all ours. Gold. Oh, look at that. It's gold. Give me that. Give me that. Buy anything with gold. I get the most, right? I get the most, right? I found it. I'm sure you lovely gold. Give me that.
Hello, Diego.
It's you, huh? I might have known.
Have any prayers you haven't said?
dancing again. Better kill him now. You go on down there. Come on, let's go. Over there. Turn around.
Diego.
Looking for me, Raul.
I know you're in there, Madison. Come on out.
Machado.
Yes, and I would appreciate the gold. Captain Madison. I said, take me to the gold.
It's right here.
Go ahead, I'm right behind you.
I'm waiting for you, Madison! Come on out! Show yourself! I'll expect you to... I see that you finally made it, huh? Howdy, cripple.
I'm ready for you now, Machado. You won't be happy soon, I can tell you.
Nobody is as pathetic as you are.
I've been waiting around for you, Machado. You see, I'm going to shoot you now.
How are you going to shoot me with that hand, huh?
I'm not going to shoot you with a hand. I'm going to shoot you with a gun.
That ought to be good, a cripple like you.
Keep laughing, you're going to die.
I'll even give you a chance. We can draw.
You made a mistake, Machado. You should have killed me when you had the chance before.
Now, how are you going to shoot me? Hold your hand like this? Just 3 little fingers and a little club hand.
That's right. The rest are at the fort. When you're ready, Machado.